Recently, Graham attended the Gary Player Invitational held at the prestigious Zimbali Lake Resort in KwaZulu-Natal. This was the 13th installment of the charity golf tournament, which has raised over $50 million for various good causes since its inception. Supported by businessmen, sports stars and even actors, it is one of the biggest events of its kind on the continent. Graham talked to the Black Knight himself.
Gary, what a pleasure to be joining you again. Great to be connecting with you in this beautiful environment. You seem to be in your element.
I am in my element, and at 77 years of age, I'm traveling around the world, which is not easy, to do these charitable days and raise money for underprivileged children, basically.
I think what jumped out during our visit yesterday to see the charities that are being affected just really does make sense. It's almost like connecting the dots. All the resources are there, the need is there. It's about connecting those two together.
One of the things we've got to get rid of is this word entitlement. Nobody's entitled to entitlement whatsoever. And to see yesterday these Zulu ladies in their area picking up rubbish, planting trees, bartering for a bicycle to give their children, in turn improving the children's education, which is we need desperately in South Africa.
Nature lover and Arsenal legend Sir Ian Wright is a proud supporter of the event and travelled to the mother continent to take part.
How does that make you feel, knowing that you are having this kind of impact, I mean, on the other side of the globe?
Wow, it's massive. When you say it like that, it makes it really... With charity, I find it's like you get a bath full of water and you put a cup of water and you don't see the difference, but there's a difference. There's a cup of water in there, so it will make a difference, and that's how slowly the changes happen, but they happen. And you know, it's just like I say, you don't realize it, but then you see the kids riding to school and you know that it's helping them. It's humbling. It's very humbling, and I'm pleased to be part of it.
Harnessing support from all corners of the globe, Bold and the Beautiful star, Jack Wagner, also lent a golf-gloved hand.
Yeah, what is that X factor about the Gary Player Invitational that brings stars of your caliber out?
When we've all been given gifts in this life, you know, and some of us do better than others, you know, but some kids just don't have a chance, you know, and that's what this charity's about. You know, how are we going to help those children? And, you know, I'll fly across the globe for that.
After the first day of golf, it was time for the annual auction, where quite a few desirable items were up for grabs, including a week-long masters class at Augusta with Gary Player. Former Proteas captain Sean Pollock shared in the excitement.
I've seen some very generous people around here, so let's hope that the auction goes well and that they raise a lot of money. It's for such a good cause. I think that's what makes South Africans what we are. We always get behind a good cause and dig deep. So hopefully the guys will empty their pockets tonight.
It's been an amazing couple of days so far. It's only beginning, and hopefully tonight we can raise a lot of money and make a difference.
You know, this is such a great event. We just got to know Gary a little bit, and you know, all the other people involved, and you know, it's one of those things where you travel across the world practically, right? And you kind of don't know what you're getting into, but I can't tell you how happy I am that I'm here.
The event was a huge success, raising a record 4 million rand for the Wildlands Conservation Trust. This initiative was inspired by Nelson Mandela and cares for sensitive ecosystems. Another beneficiary is Wings and Wishes, that transports critically ill children to receive life-saving medical treatment.
How do you get it right? What is that Gary Player X factor that brings these kinds of people together?
It's really hard work, and we have a great team of people in my company. A great team of people that are dedicated to doing this. And it's just such a thrill to see people have such a great time, spend money, and change, and make a change, and make an improvement in somebody's life. If you could just make an improvement in one person's life, you've done a lot. But we're making a change in a lot of people's lives, which is really a thrill. With great leadership and ideas like this, there's no telling where we can go.
The eventual winners of the golf were Tim Clark, Kenny Dalglish, and businessmen Alex Medici and Doug Jackson, who had a 7-point margin of victory. This event is proof that 36 holes can make a world of difference.